Oh, I hope my baby is healthy. A mother deer stays alone by itself, separated from its herd when it is giving birth to its babies. You see, mother deer get ready to have their babies by themselves when it's time to give birth. A small newborn fawn finds its mother's teats and quickly starts suckling milk. It also manages to stand up on its shaky legs to walk slowly. It diligently learns how to walk. To fawns, everything they see is just strange and frightening. Their mothers teach them about everything around them, one by one. What you see here is called grass. The baby deer sniffs the grass with its nose. You need to have a balanced diet in order to grow up well, my darling. Fawns imitate their mothers, grazing and drinking when their mothers do. Fawns diligently study what their mothers do and imitate their actions one by one. Fawns follow their mothers outside to play, running around in grass fields.
I'm tired, Mommy.
They sometimes curl up on the ground when they are tired from playing. Their mothers always stay close by and protect them. Insects sometimes stick to the fawns' bodies, so the fawns' mothers help take off the insects from their bodies. The fawns' mothers always keep their babies clean. The fawns also shake their bodies with their hind legs and lick their fur with their tongues to keep clean. A herd of deer is out in a wide grass field. The fawns have come out with them. They are all sunbathing and resting together. However, they stand up immediately and look around their surroundings when they sense danger. Deer can smell things very well with their noses. They often look around and sniff the air. When they smell something funny, they run away immediately. When mother deer smell the air, their babies imitate them and smell the air too. Oh, danger! Danger, my darling! Sensing danger, a mother deer flaps its tail. When its baby sees the white side of its mother's tail, it quickly runs away. Deer warn others of danger with the white fur on their tails. The white color can be easily seen even at night or in dark forests. The fawn follows its mother and runs away into the woods. The homes of deer are among the bushes in the woods. All deer return to their homes when the sun sets. Antlers don't grow on female deer, but bucks grow antlers a year after they are born. They grow one more branch when they are about 5 years old. You can tell how old a buck is by counting the number of the branches on its antlers. The antlers of fully grown bucks look like dry tree branches. They sometimes get caught in tree branches, but they are useful when the bucks need to hide. They also serve as dangerous weapons in fights. When the mating season arrives, bucks fight each other with their antlers over the does. The bucks that lose the fights must lead the herd after fighting. The bucks that win the fights each take charge of several does and lead a herd. Bucks find the does by smell when they mate. When they find the does that they like, they touch their noses together to display affection. Does become pregnant in the winter and give birth to 1 or 2 fawns in late spring. Once fawns are born, they live with their mothers for about a year before they become independent.